After powering on the NVR, the screen will display NVR initializing. This process takes approximately 40 seconds. Once the system starts, select the desired language. The default language is English. Enter the initial password. The default password is either 12345 or 123456. Click Login. The system will prompt you to set a stronger password. Click OK. Enter the old password, previously entered 12345 or 23456. Enter the new password twice. The new password must be complex, including letters, numbers, and special characters. Enter your email address. This is required for password recovery. If you do not provide an email, you must contact support for password retrieval. Draw a pattern twice to enable quick unlocking. Click Next to proceed. Ensure that the system time is correct. Incorrect time settings may cause issues with video playback on the app. Enable DHCP so that the NVR automatically obtains an IP address from the local router. Now, the system setup is complete. Right-click on the screen and open the menu. Click on Configuration at the top and navigate to the camera menu. Connect the camera to the PoE port on the NVR and wait for the device to connect automatically. Navigate to Maintenance, Network Info, PoE port status to check the camera's power status. The connection process may take around 1 minute. Once detected, the camera may be recognized using the ONVIF protocol. Manually change it to Private protocol, otherwise VCA functions will not work. Click Edit, change the add mode from plug and play to IP address, and change ONVIF to Private. Then click OK and wait for the camera to refresh. Once the camera is successfully connected, click VCA to access features like cross-line detection and intrusion detection. Then we can add the NVR to the IVMS 810 app. Click Network and make sure the local IP address is obtained. Click P2P at the top, where you will see the device connection information. Next, open the IVMS 810 app. Select Add Without Sign-up. Scan the NVR's QR code and enter the device password. Click Login. Now you have successfully added the NVR to your mobile device.